Good evening guys, in this video I'm going to show you Note 9 release date, news and rumors. Alright, let's get started. Note 9 launch event to be held on 9 August 2018, similar to last year design, fingerprint scanner on rear. The leaks surrounding Samsung's next big smartphone launch have reached fever pitch, meaning it's not long until the arrival of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in early August. Here are all the leaks, rumors and confirmed details for the 2018 Galaxy Note 9 codename Crown, the best smartphone available to buy today. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date 9 August 2018. Event confirmed. The Galaxy Note 9 will be launched on August 9. Samsung has sent out invites to its Unpack events, which is what Samsung calls its mobile launch event, complete with a close-up of yellow gold S Pen and button. More on that shortly. The event will be held live in New York, with the show starting at. Samsung has also posted a teaser on its mobile Twitter feed which revealed more of the S Pen, leaving absolutely no doubt that it's the Note 9 that's been launched. A leak FCC filing from June refers model number. The Galaxy Note 9 design is familiar. It's just like the previous Note 8. Fingerprint scanner on the rear in new arrangement, premium and waterproof build, expected familiar curved glass design. And we got closer to the Note 9 launch. We've been treated to what been treated to. Even Blasi shared the photo which shows the phone alongside the same yellow S Pen we think was depicted and launch event. What a beautiful, gorgeous phone. We've seen color appears too, and we are looking at blue, brown, black, lavender and grey, although leaks since further below suggest that the fever color will actually be available. Wow. Blue, brown, black, lavender and grey. Alright, let's see more rumors. Okay. That's then another picture of Galaxy Note 9. Looks beautiful. Finally, there have been more leaks. Gold blue image of the phone has emerged. While this color wasn't included in previous leaks, it's a traditional Samsung color, so expect it to emerge, perhaps a limited edition. What about the new S Pen? Will be Bluetooth enabled, could act as a camera shutter or pause music playback. We've known for some time that Samsung is planning S Pen improvement, according to this interview with Samsung Access. In reality, with the S9 Plus being essentially the same phone as the Note 9, it's in the S Pen that the difference has to lie. The S Pen on invite, it's very much the topic. According to Reon Tipster Eyes Universe, the S Pen is a Bluetooth enabled, and so the button can be used to do other jobs, and this is borne out in the marketing image we've shown above. The Bluetooth connectivity of the S Pen has been confirmed by an FCC feeling, but that does raise other question about powering it. Will the current system, which uses power from the display, be enough, or will the S Pen have its own battery? We would also expect the new S Pen to be even more sensitive than before. This seems to be the way with styly these days. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 display, 6.3 inch, same display, AMOLED, 18:9 aspect ratio. Okay, so everything is same. We would also expect mobile HDR to be on board the Note 9 as the previous device, as well as Super AMOLED panel with rich and vibrant color. In the resolution, the display Quad HD Plus. What is mobile HDR? What will Galaxy Note 9 camera? Dual camera likely remain, improvement expected. Iris scanner also expected. The Galaxy Note 8 was the first Samsung Galaxy offer dual rear camera. The Note 9 will continue the two cameras, and you can see these in the image. You would expect dual camera setup on the Note 9 to be the same format as the Note 8, with one telephoto lens and one wide angle lens, as well as similar of S9 Plus, which has a variable f1.5 aperture, f2.4 aperture. With known leaks, the rear camera will both be 12 megapixel units with optical image stabilization on both lenses. Wow. Note 9 hardware: Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 or latest Exynos 9810, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. Focus on audio. Likely unboxing video has dropped, while the font and graphics on the screen protecting plastic looks a little non-authentic. The camera and fingerprint reader arrangement on the rear phone. The box look like pretty genuine to what its promise of a 6.3 inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 12 megapixel OIS rear cameras, iris scanner, 64 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, 6 gigs of RAM. There is also T-Mobile sticker on the front of the box, so presumably that the sources. Alright, so another big update. Twitter user Ice Universe had said that Note 9 will get 4000 mAh battery. That's a very great thing, because of efficient processor by Qualcomm or Exynos. 4000 mAh battery give you more battery life, so this is a big improvement Samsung will do on Note 9. Big improvement overall over the Note 33 mAh cell. This had been backed up by Elder Murtazen, who claims to have seen the device. This device is going to be an excellent device. Android Oreo. The device comes with Android Oreo Bixby 2.0, currently being tested by around 800 partners, and so will be able to support wider scope of voice assistants. Alright guys, that's alright. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.